You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. McIntosh, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, I think she needs to pay child support.
Okay.
All right, guys, this one's about to get messy. We've got Mr. McIntosh dragging his case into court, demanding child support and custody. On the surface, it looks simple. But as soon as the judge starts asking questions, secrets, lies, and even jail time come crashing into the open, stay locked in, because the twist in the story will leave you stunned.
Just straight like that?
Yeah, straight. I want to get straight to the point. I just want nothing to do with it. I just want child support.
All right. Do you really know her? You just said like you don't want nothing to do with it, like you just met her yesterday.
Well, I thought I did.
Okay, tell me about it.
Well, it started off like every other fairy tale, you know. Everything was hot, bad. Everything cooking good. Good loving. So we got to...
Notice how he jumped straight to money? I just want child support. But then we hear about the fairy tale romance that quickly soured once the baby arrived. Here's the kicker. Parenthood isn't about who gets the spotlight. It's about sacrifice, balance, and teamwork. Do you think he wanted support for the child, or revenge against his ex?
Yeah, I'm not understanding. I said, what happened to Dad? You know, you let the kid go to sleep or something. Don't just forget about me. So it was all about, I got the baby. No, put the baby to bed.
Well, you wanted to tend to the baby, right?
Yeah, what else I'm gonna do?
Well, not that much. Don't just forget about me.
I mean, it's
You
a
forgot
child.
about
help
Daddy.
around the house. It's just
It's
all
a
about the
child,
baby. It's
though.
just all about the baby.
The baby don't
what
know
happened to
better.
baby?
Yeah, but you can't forget about Daddy.
Exactly.
Forgot
What's the
about
baby
Daddy.
gonna do? You an adult.
See, forget about it. See what I'm talking about?
It's a child.
Cannot forget about Dad. And once that's a baby. That baby sleep 8 hours a day.
No, still gotta feed the baby. I gotta make sure the baby's clothes and everything. There's a lot of work to put into taking care of a kid.
There really
You an
is.
adult.
Here's a classic tension point. Dad claims he felt neglected, while Mom insists the baby needed full attention. But the judge calls out something important. Babies demand care, and resentment from a parent can poison relationships fast. Viewers, what do you think? Was his need for daddy time selfish or understandable?
Hey, at first, how long were y'all together?
6 years.
That's a long time to be together.
Yeah. But
Okay.
then the baby just popped up and I'm like, she forgot about me. And so I try to, let me take care of the baby. Let me let you rest so you can start back paying attention to me.
All right.
And that don't seem
Do y'all
like-
still live together?
That don't, no. That don't seem
Not anymore.
All right.
Not anymore.
Okay, how old is the child now? I'm assuming it's not a baby anymore.
The child's about 6.
6, okay.
Yeah, had him right kind of early.
Okay.
And that I think that kind of threw it off a little bit by us having a kid so early. And it should have waited.
6 years together, and still the relationship crumbles once the child arrives. He even throws in the postpartum phase like it's just a passing mood. But postpartum depression isn't a phase. It's a real, medically recognized struggle. His lack of empathy here could be the very reason things spiraled. Would you agree?
After the baby's here, that's some kind of phase you go through.
Okay.
Where you're not paying attention to
Postpartum.
Daddy. What you said.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's serious. Postpartum is a serious thing to go through. So of
It
course
is.
it's gonna be a
Nah,
disconnect.
not for 5 years.
How you gonna tell a woman that postpartum is something that's terrible to go through? How you never been through it? So how do you know?
Yeah, I'm waiting on that explanation too.
Please tell
Well,
me.
I don't know. I don't know. But all I know is I help out to try to, help out with the baby to try to understand what you're going through. That's why I
It's
try. That's why I
mental
take.
issues.
That's why I
Can
try
we
to.
stop referring to this 6-year-old as a baby?
It's my
I try
child.
to take care of our child.
But you need to be able to tend to me and the child and try to understand where I'm coming.
And here it is. Mom speaks up. She says he never tried to understand her depression, never asked how she felt. This is powerful because it flips the script. Suddenly, it's not about a father neglected, but a mother battling mental health while raising a child. The judge knows ignoring that reality isn't an option.
I want full custody and I want child support.
How
Okay.
you gonna get full
The
custody
child
without
live with
taking
you?
care of the kid?
It's kind of between right about now. But I think I could take care of him better since she can't keep a
I've been
job.
with the kid longer, so I mean, I'm not working right now, so I'm at home with the kid all the time.
So if she's not working, she behind bars.
Boom, plot twist. McIntosh drops the bomb that mom's behind bars. Did you catch that? We've moved from family struggles to criminal charges. And just like that, the credibility battle shifts. But the real question, is this about custody, or is he weaponizing her mistakes to gain leverage?
Feeling okay, he's been feeling neglected because I was having issues with depression and taking care of my kids. So he decided to step out. So, me and my girl did some digging, and I found out he stepped out on me. So you know what? I had to find out where the girl went, where she worked at.
So you went and found his new girlfriend?
I worked her butt.
He did not have to jump on her.
While she was at work?
I did. Because he's not about to play me after all this stuff I've been doing with his kid. He's not about to do that.
That's a little ratchet.
Yeah,
no
so
reason.
I did.
There was no reason.
There's nothing
That
else
was
I can
uncalled
do.
for.
I did it.
So you have a case pending on you?
I do. Unfortunately, I do. But you don't cheat on me after all this work I've been putting in taking care of your
Mom finally tells her side. She admits the assault charge, but blames it on discovering his infidelity. She went after the new girlfriend. This is raw, messy, and painfully human. Was it wrong? Absolutely. But was it driven by betrayal and depression? That's for us to weigh. Would you have reacted differently in her shoes?
taking care of my sister was watching the
Your
kid.
sister?
She was.
Was she in jail with you?
No, she was watching the kid. And she bailed me out. She was there for me. You
Her
weren't.
sister bailed her out.
You were there.
Her
She was there
sister
for
was
me.
there.
So I
for
guess
her,
you talk
you
to your
weren't.
sister. You won't talk to me.
Because you don't
talk
even
to your
try
sister,
to.
but you can't talk to
You don't
me.
even try. I've tried to talk to you.
It seems like you guys can't really talk to each other without getting
Obviously
into
not,
it.
because you don't even try to listen to
I'll
me.
go back to my original
Yeah.
question. So who does the child stay with majority of the
Me.
time?
He stays with me, Your Honor.
Okay, so you said that the baby was better off with you because she has a assault case.
She got a assault case.
This exchange is brutal. The judge reminds them both. The child's stability matters more than their grudges. Dad says he makes $85K producing music, but doesn't hold a steady job. Meanwhile, Mom struggles with legal trouble and employment. Neither side looks fully stable. Who would you trust more with custody here?
Produced right now in the music business, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, late night.
Okay.
Producer.
Have they already produced some music?
That's kind of iffy right now, but I think they're going to be okay.
Yeah, what kind of money are you making?
I'm making about 85,000.
Okay. All right, and you said you're unemployed right now.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened to your job?
I had to quit because I was taking care of the kid full time.
Okay. So the child lives with her.
Stays with me.
Okay. Why didn't you file anything for today for child support?
I wasn't thinking, Your Honor. I didn't want to be malicious towards him.
Pay attention here. Mom didn't even file for child support. Despite everything, she says she didn't want to be malicious. That restraint speaks volumes. Compare that with Dad, who immediately filed for custody and money. Ask yourself, which parent is acting out of care and which is acting out of spite?
I mean, that's what he's doing.
It's a little charge.
I mean, it's an assault charge, but I mean, it is what it is at this point. It already happened, so.
Okay. I do agree with that. Well, sir, I'm not going to grant your request for child support today.
I am not manipulating women. I got one girlfriend and you jumped on her.
You are. No, there's
You tell the
plenty
judge
more.
about your sister.
It's
She going
plenty
back to jail.
more. It's plenty more.
Oh,
you
okay.
know?
Well, guess what? I don't have
sources.
time to hear about all of these little rendezvous today.
The judge isn't buying it anymore. She's losing patience with the accusations, the side dramas, and the finger pointing. At this point, both parents are hurting their case by dragging personal betrayals into court. And judges hate when their time is wasted. Ever wonder how often family court devolves like this? The answer, way too often.
It's my time. So I'm going to deny your relief, like I said, and dismiss your case because it's obvious that the child stays with mom primarily. You didn't dispute it when she said it. Therefore, I don't have a choice but to dismiss it. And mom, on the other hand, if she comes back in here and says she wants child support, because had she filed something today, you would actually be placed on child support today.
Me?
But yes, you at that $80,000 to $85,000 range, because
Here comes a hammer. The judge dismisses his request. Point blank. Why? Because the child primarily lives with mom, and he never disputed it. Simple as that. And the kicker? Had mom filed today, he'd be the one paying child support, likely thousands each month. That's courtroom irony at its finest.
She's telling the truth, isn't she?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm pretty sure she's telling the truth about the other stuff too. But
No,
that's
no,
none of my
no,
business.
No.
So, is there anything further today, Mr. McIntosh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
And just like that, case dismissed. No custody shift, no child support order. Just a wasted day in court. The biggest takeaways? Emotional neglect, postpartum struggles, betrayal, and weaponized accusations don't win custody battles. The law sides with stability. If this case stunned you too, drop your thoughts in the comments, smash like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.